Let's take a look at the eye model for BIOL 157. So first off, this is the lacrimal gland. So go ahead and take that part off. When we get to here, let's zoom in just a little bit. The white layer here is the sclera, and this clear anterior transparent bulge in the front of the eye, that is the cornea. So when I take this off here, we're seeing a cavity between that cornea and the rest of the eye. So this cavity right here is known as the anterior cavity, and this contains a fluid known as aqueous humor. Let's go ahead and take this off now. So when we look at the eye this way here, we have this part of the eye. This is known as the choroid. This right here is the iris. And right in the middle, so the iris is the colored portion of the eye. Right in the middle of that is the pupil, opening there. If I turn towards the back, we can see there's the optic nerve. And if I take this off, my lens kind of got dislodged there, but it usually sits there. That is the lens there, so that's it. You can also see the optic nerve kind of cut into, so there it is again. Now, what was surrounding that lens, all this in red, is the ciliary body. So all that is the ciliary body. Now the white on here, that part of the ciliary body is known as the ciliary processes. So all this kind of tannish color area here, that is the retina. Now if I move towards the back of the eye where that optic nerve comes in here, you can see this area right there. That is the optic disc. So that's the optic nerve there. That's the optic disc there. Now, all of this cavity that is kind of behind the lens here, so all of that is the posterior cavity, and this contains a different type of fluid called vitreous humor. Now, the last thing I want to show you is actually on the retina, and you're seeing this little pink dot right there. That is the macula lutea.